Hello guys, welcome back again to yet another Photoshop tutorial, and this tutorial I want to show you how to create realistic skin texture details in Photoshop. And without further ado, let's begin. Remember, custom skin texture will help you bring back some of the skin texture detail that you may have lost through retouching or in the lighting of your portrait. And this tutorial you're going to use non-destructive editing techniques that gives you a lot of flexibility to edit your adjustment to achieve seamless transition between the original skin texture and the custom-made skin texture. First, you need to open your image in Photoshop, then add a new layer right above the background layer, then select the new layer and go to edit, then go to fill 50% gray, then press OK. Now convert this layer to smart object by right clicking on the layer, select convert smart object. Now go to filter, then filter gallery. Make sure the texture folder is open, then select texturizer. For the texture, select sandstone, the scaling 157, relief 7, light, make sure it's a top, but this one will vary with your image, choose accordingly. Press OK to apply. Select your layer, the new one, go to blending mode. Here, change the blending mode to soft light to blend the images together. Now we're going to add a layer mask to this layer. To hide the effect, press Alt on the keyboard and press on Add Layer Mask. For those guys who are using Windows, but for Mac you can press the option and then click on Add Layer Mask. Now select the layer mask, then press B on your keyboard to select the brush tool. Make sure your foreground color is white and the flow and opacity are below 30%. Zoom in your image, increase the size of brush by pressing the right bracket key on your keyboard, then gently brush around the skin area to create the skin texture. Do it gently to get realistic skin texture details. Don't overdo this. As you can see, we are slowly building up the skin texture around the face and the cheek area. Make sure you take your time as you do this, and again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us your comment and feedback. You can reduce the brush by pressing the left bracket key on your keyboard. You can press Ctrl plus to zoom in. And this is the before and after, before, then after. Can continue brushing around the skin. Can also reduce the opacity here, the feel. You can also use some color grading to the image to improve on the color. Select the layer on top, then press Ctrl Alt Shift and E on your keyboard to merge the layers. Change this to color. Then select the layer, go to filter, then apply camera raw filter. can increase the temperature a little bit, and exposure, reduce contrast. I think that one looks great. And press OK to apply the changes. As you can see, the before and after. I've added some saturation to the image. Guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.